Hey everyone! Today, I'll show you how to clean suede shoes. You'll learn to make your suede shoes look brand new without damaging them. We'll go through everything step by step. But first, what are the things you'll need to complete this task? For the full list and where to get them, check the description and pinned comment below. Now that you have all your tools and materials ready, let's get into it. Get rid of it! First, get a clean, flat surface where you can work comfortably. Make sure you're away from any dirt or liquids that could splash on your shoes, and keep everything you need nearby. Before anything else, take your suede brush or soft toothbrush and gently brush the surface of the shoes. This removes any loose dirt and debris without pushing it deeper into the suede fibers. It's really important to brush in one direction. Going back and forth can damage the texture of the suede. According to experts from the American Leather Chemists Association, brushing in the same direction helps preserve the suede fiber's unique texture and look, which can keep your shoes looking newer, longer. Now, let's tackle any little scuffs or minor stains. Grab a white eraser, avoid colored erasers or ones with designs, as these can accidentally transfer dyes onto your suede shoes. Gently rub it over the scuff marks, and you'll start to see the suede lifting up dirt and marks. Be patient here, it might take a bit of time to see results. The great thing about a white eraser is that it's gentle on the suede but still effective for light marks. For tougher stains, like oil or ink, white vinegar or rubbing alcohol works wonders. These are both great for suede because they don't leave watermarks, which is a common issue with suede. Just pour a small amount of vinegar or rubbing alcohol onto a white cloth, then dab. Don't rub the stained area. Let it dry, and you'll notice the stain begins to fade. Studies, like one from a Leather Institute, found that both vinegar and rubbing alcohol can lift tougher stains from suede without saturating or damaging the material. Once you've removed all the stains, it's crucial to let the shoes air dry completely. Don't use any heat source like a hairdryer, as that can damage the suede and make it harden or shrink. Just place your shoes in a cool, dry area and allow them time to dry naturally. This drying step is key to keeping the suede soft and avoiding any warping or shrinkage. After drying, brush your shoes one last time with your suede brush, moving in one consistent direction to lift and restore the texture. Suede has a natural nap, a fuzzy texture, that looks best when the fibers are aligned evenly. Brushing in one direction will help achieve that smooth, refreshed look, while brushing back and forth could disrupt the fibers, making the suede appear uneven or flat. To protect your shoes in the future, you might consider applying a water-resistant spray specifically made for suede. This won't make them completely waterproof, but it will add a layer of protection, making it easier to clean next time. Many cobblers recommend a good suede protector spray. Just make sure it's suitable for suede, and apply it evenly in a well-ventilated area. And that's it. Your suede shoes should now look good as new. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, share it with someone who might need this, and leave a comment if you have any other suede cleaning tips or questions. Thanks for watching, and happy cleaning!